Kwa kagita karia kethirito kagikuruka baingi ni bethirite bakiringithania mantu mwanya jara jethiritwe jagikarika kiri mantu jegie kanisa ikarikare arua mauritani jara jatiagirite jakindini na kinya kanisa imwe ire kuonania ukristo baingi bao ni bethirite kinya bakiringithania mauritani na mitugo itiagirite na mishi ikurite bonene ende bora bonekete nande ni ati mantu jazane jakaja jachokete maturene bwarua bore kare anterecha kianje tigania west nare mutumiria umwe ari ethiritwe akirigaria baingi na mauritani jawe jaraja tumete baba inge na muthuro jo munene mwandiki wetu wa Nteto Mukiri Mithika ni akwaraniria na Batire Elias Mwenda wa kanisa ya St Rita Parish amwe na kinyani mwarimu wa University ya Meru arethirito kinya agitaririria inathina iri amwe na kinya bionaniria bia mauritani jaraja teagirite ja kanisa.
Batire Mulwamerio Parish St Rita Nchero tigania westura kinyai Mauritani na Champlain Yomeru University Father Elias Kinoti noloterete thirikari kiara kumania makarika yaraetete na mbere kuongeleka yanto utumirwa bodho kukiendini untubu kwinyangi uturo na kinya mioyo yao.
Institution related down a Kenya na ina right to protect but government ikorea for many years ko regulate ndini na muno ndini ya Kristo. Muntu arukira tunde akambiriria kanisa na nto baka use so bandle ni pastor kana batiri kana sheikh kana whoever name it muntu aka bishop na pope by self announcing and the government is watching. What's the difference between another country invading us and a citizen invading fellow citizens and harming and killing them? No difference.
Kuringana nwe thirikari ni batiweka ibango biotira Kristo batio tumerwa bodho kune atumeria.
Thirikari bwirite kithe kimenya ndinira citizens bawe bawita na Mauritania mwega. The first thing I would propose that every religious group, every setting of a religious group, Thirikari can make sure whoever is called the pastor, can bishop or whatever, in a certain level of education. Not with the ignorance, the Bible is a very dangerous book. So Thirikari ne wiri to regulate. It can make sure baraba kumenyera mioyo ya a citizens wa Kenya be na certain qualification. Oro make sure daktari be na qualification, mwalimu na qualification, dereva na license, ora oinanduka inyawe na license na kwendi into bibiega ni nonto to tira moyo na you very important your citizens veto to rock pastors and rock the thing.
Father Kinoti wete anto barabari wati nebo tumero bodho kukendini ni amwe na baraba ina mesukumwe madhuanyo kana depression baraba sika kwa bateani na kuimeneria bebo bongwa baraba ithaira bena thina chiuba ikirantoni mbere bangi yontu mathina ya kuaga na mbesa na into bingi bibingi bia kindhiuru amwe na mantu yangi kithumba
ote muntu oteomba kwa radicalized depending na mantu yarakirukira muntu no ethe ari mwega muno lakini akirukira certain event mbuga akirukira untu mutuma iwa atisa tukuwerua. For example, an act of hatred, an act of discrimination, an act of being left out. Mono mtu are young, are mwana kana are mo youth. Ya ane oyo mbokarika mono dira antu bakuritana. Nara turitana wa ndini, sukuru.
Na nimbichiona niribia antu barabara mbererio tumirwa bodho kukendini.
Kuaria if someone is scripted. Akaria thaiji itharimwe akiaria thanginge ya iri ya thatu yana royo na oke ukaigwa mearirie yawe is exactly the same. Ora muntu atuire akari ukona agaruka. It may not be sudden yamba kuyukia few months to a year ukona behavior mtura yukwethi atia ikugaruka netike kugaruka on the good side. Ikugaruka ina overtones cia muthuro anger and violence na ate kwenda kuinteract na group ile ingi na inya change of cycle ya friends kinya isolating themselves from family and friends.
Father Kinoti runa rombete antu bonde kwithira bai metho batati ithire minyororone batiumba kwirita.
Ona muntu kuritana untu boto moka igwo muntu bwaku bokia disrespected is time kumatoka. Kanisa ukabisa. You have no business being at a risk. ni umona kuwa no irio bira no kona biekirwa sumu endo kwa yuoke ukaria bio kwa withuire atewe the same moyo yaku yuri yao ya ora mwire yuri yaga o yora mathogani yaku ari ya kithomo moyo yaku yuri ya yaritanawa na muritani yaku akethira ati sawa run away from that person no ndo akuthukia.
Nkiripotera Weru TV kuma Tiania, Mbeta wa Mukiri wa Mithika.